What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to program a smart key to a Ford Edge. This is a 2020 Ford Edge here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So in order to be able to add a new smart key yourself without having to go to a locksmith or dealership, you have to have two already working smart keys. Unfortunately, if you do not have two that already work, you will not be able to do this yourself. You'll have to go to a locksmith or a dealership. But in our case, we have our two working ones here, and then we have our unprogrammed smart key here. I took the key out of the bottom just to help me keep track. It doesn't matter if you have that in there or not. I'm just using that so I know which one is the unprogrammed one. So what we need to do is take a look in our center console. In the bottom of the center console, there's going to be what's referred to as the backup slot. What we want to do is take our first programmed key, and we're going to put it in that backup slot, and you want the top of the smart key facing the front of the vehicle and the buttons facing up. So you're going to want to be putting them in there like that. Once we have that first one in there, we're going to come over here and turn the ignition to the on position. But before we start that, I just want you to be aware that once you start, and when I say start, I mean we get to the point where we're about to turn the ignition on, you need to do everything after that fairly rapidly, or it may not work. So we're going to turn the ignition on. That's done by pressing the stop-start button without pressing the brake. We're going to wait for it to stop dinging. Once it stops dinging, turn the ignition off. Remove your first programmed smart key and place the second programmed smart key in there in the same way. Come over here and turn the ignition on again. Once it's done dinging, turn it off. Take the second programmed key out. Now we're going to put our unprogrammed key in there. Put it in there in the same way. Come over here and turn the ignition on. The hazard lights flash there, indicating it's been programmed, and we also get the message right there showing key program successful. Now we can turn it off. We'll pull our newly programmed key out and let's test it. That's a working remote. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.